How to view browsing history on Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and then you will find History below Password and Autofill. Click on History and again click on History. It will open this kind of page. In here, you can scroll down to see all your history by date, as it will be date as well as time. You can also see if you have made any groups of the tab, and you will be able to see by groups as well. And at the top, you can also click on search history and then search your history. This is how to view browsing history on Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.